Homework and Achieve is powered by Macmillan's math assessment engine. These assignments do more than simply assess students. They coach them through their homework with built-in hints, error-specific feedback that seeks to address common mistakes and misconceptions, and fully worked solutions. These features emulate the office hours experience by helping students understand the core concepts behind the problems while learning from their mistakes and building confidence. Let's take a closer look at a couple homework problems. Achieve's homework engine allows for any and all equivalent answers to be marked correct, unless it's clearly declared, like an answer needed in simplified or factored form. Achieve's math palette populates the most relevant symbols on the first page. The symbols are organized into categories, and it also responds to keyboard shortcuts. For example, if I start typing union, U-N-I-O-N, the union symbol will populate. Same thing for infinity later in this answer. Achieve is also pre-programmed with syntax warnings, like in this answer when you try to remove the parentheses or brackets in interval notation. Now let's take a look at a multi-part question. Achieve is pre-programmed with default generic and error-specific targeted feedback, designed to help students work through tricky parts of a question. With error-specific feedback, students will receive different guidance depending on the mistake they've made. So in this question, students can see different feedback depending on the mistake that they've made. For example, if they do not correctly identify that the zeros do not exist, they'll get feedback that instructs them of that. Some questions also include video feedback made in partnership with YouTube creator Patrick JMT that walk through problem-solving strategies. All videos in Achieve are fully ADA compliant and available with closed captioning. From our user data, we've identified close to 200 of our most missed questions. These are the questions that feature this just-in-time video feedback in addition to the written feedback. Later on in the question, once they've found that the zeros do not exist, they found the vertex, and they've correctly identified that the vertex is a maximum, if they enter that the discriminant is 0, they'll receive different feedback than before. Once the student gets to the correct answer, or if they choose to give up along the way, they'll have access to the fully worked solution if the instructor has turned on that setting. Achieve also features other question types, like ranking or drag and drop, and many powered by Desmos, including this one with a manipulatable dynamic figure, and this one that auto-grades points and functions that are plotted on the graph. Instructors can control various settings, like what resources are available, points awarded, password protection, and time and attempt limits. In addition to pre-built assignments and our large library of exercises, instructors can also edit or author questions in homework. Instructors can edit the body of the question, correct answers and solutions, and incorrect feedback, whether that's error-specific or generic. Instructors can also make multi-part questions or add images, tables, and links. You can even add or edit algorithmically generated values if you'd like. If you'd like to write in the code of the question, that's certainly available, but our goal is to make it simple enough in our question editor for any instructor to edit questions, not just those who have prior experience. To learn more about Homework and Achieve or our pre-calculus title, Preparation for Calculus, please visit macmillanlearning.com/achievemath or contact your local Macmillan representative.